Okay, next question है question number 35. So here it's given that the lens maker's formula used to design lenses of desired focal lengths using surfaces of mutable radii of curvature. Focal length depends on the refractive index of material of the lens surrounding medium. Refractive index depends upon the wavelength of the light used. Power of a lens is related to its focal length. So how will the power of a lens be affected with an increase in wavelength of light? तो सबसे पहले जो P is equal to power is given by inverse of focal length, which is equal to refractive index minus 1 upon R1 minus R2. Now it's given that how will the power be affected with an increase in wavelength. So अगर a wavelength में increase करो तो how will be the power affected. Now there is a relation between speed, wavelength and frequency. So V is equal to f into lambda. So V is equal to frequency into lambda. Now frequency in every medium remains constant. So V is directly proportional to lambda. इधर पे अब refractive index देखते हैं. So V is directly proportional to lambda. Now refractive index, that is nu for any absolute refractive index for any medium is given by C upon V. And V का जो फॉर्मूला था वो था F into lambda. इसको हटा देते हैं. Let's simply use V. So this is the refractive index, absolute refractive index, speed of light V, and this is the refractive index of any medium, speed of light in the medium, which is given by frequency in the medium into the wavelength in the medium. Our frequency in the wavelength remains same. This is the speed of the light. So refractive index is inversely proportional to the wavelength of the medium. So wavelength, if wavelength increases, refractive index decreases, and P is directly proportional to U. अब wavelength increase होगी, ये decrease होएगा, ये decrease होएगा, तो power B decrease होएगी. So we can write. So what you have to write here, आप यहाँ लिखोगे U. Refractive index inversely proportional to wavelength, and so is the power. Power is inversely proportional to wavelength according to this formula, the lens maker's formula, and therefore P decreases as lambda increases, power decreases. Okay, अब है part 2. The radius of curvature of two surfaces of convex lens is R. For what value of refractive index of its material will its focal length become equal to R? Focal length जब R के equal हो जाएगी तो refractive index क्या होएगा? Okay, now जो P part है 1 by focal length is equal to होता है refractive index minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. ये दोनों equal है. तो A को हमने लेना है positive और A को ले लेंगे negative. और refractive index आपको निकालना है. Now it's given that focal length becomes equal to R, so 1 upon R is equal to nu minus 1. ये हो जाएगा एक R, एक negative R. So 1 upon R is equal to nu minus 1. 1 upon R plus 1 upon R is, this becomes positive. 2 by R gets cancelled. Refractive index minus 1 is equal to half. And refractive index is equal to half. 1 plus half, which is equal to 3 by 2. So refractive index is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, अब है next है part C. इसमें दिया था focal length of a convex lens of refractive index 1.5 meets 1.5 is 20 centimeter in air. तो ये है part C. इसमें है in air. सबसे पहले in air में आपको दे रखा है focal length and refractive index. So focal length is equal to 20 centimeter and refractive index is equal to 1.5, which is 15 by 10 which is equal to 3 by 2. Now 1 by f is equal to होता है nu minus 1 upon r1 minus r2. So this is given, let's keep it in centimeter. This is 3 by 2 minus 1, यहाँ से हम calculate करेंगे 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So this is 1 by 20, 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 into 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So this is 10, so 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2 है 1 by 10. So this is the value 1 by 10. ये रख लेते हैं. अब आ जाते हैं now when the lens is immersed in water. अब लेंस जब वाटर में इमर्स्ड है तो we have to find the value of the focal length. Okay. So when the lens is immersed in water, अब आपको यहाँ पे refractive index of water is given. Refractive index of water is given which is 4 by 3. Which is 4 by 3 and previously the refractive index in air was 0.5. Focal length of a convex lens of nu is 20 refractive. This is the uh, refractive index of the glass, of the material of the convex lens in air. तो ये है refractive index of glass आपको दिया था 1.5 which is 15 by 10 which is equal to 3 by 2. Now when the lens is immersed in water, when it's immersed in water, now the ray of light it travels from water into the lens. So here we have to find the refractive index of glass with respect to water. So refractive index of glass with respect to water आपको find out करना पड़ेगा because we have to find the focal length here in this water, uh, which would be refractive index of glass with respect to water minus 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. यहाँ जो refractive index है when it's immersed in water, the refractive index of glass with respect to water हम लेंगे. Okay, let's calculate this one. आपको calculate करना है refractive index of glass with respect to water. Now refractive index of जो glass जो है वो आपको दे रखा है 1.5 which is 15 by 10 is equal to मैंने बताया था 3 by 2. Now the refractive index is given by this refractive index. This is the absolute refractive index with air. तो ये है c upon velocity of light in, क्योंकि refractive index is equal to होता है c upon velocity of light of medium, velocity of light in medium यहाँ है glass. तो ये हो गया 3 by 2 1. ऐसे ही refractive index of water आपको दे रखा है which is 3 by 4. So this will become c upon velocity of light in water is equal to 3 by 4. Maybe 3 by 4. So this is 4 by 3, sorry. This is 4 by 3. ये है 4 by 3. 4 by 3. ये है 2. Okay. And so let's put in their values. ये आपको दे रखा है. So यहाँ से let's calculate. From here, the speed of light is equal to speed of light in glass would be 2c by 3. And from here, the speed of light in water would be 3c by 4. We have to find the refractive index of glass with respect to water. The speed of light in water, 3c by 4 divided by 2c by 3. C gets cancelled. So 3 by 4 into 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 8. So the value is 9 by 8. So यहाँ हम value put करेंगे 9 by 8. 9 by 8 minus 1, और ये value जो है, we have calculate this value. This is 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. So LCM is 8. 9 minus 8 into 1 by 10. So this is 1 by 80. This is the unknown focal length. So focal length in water. अब ये जो unknown जो है, this is the focal length of the lens in water जो हो जाएगी, that would be 80. अब यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है, this is 80 सेंटीमीटर. तो इसका जो अगला पार्ट है, थर्ड, इसमें दिया है, this is part C. Once again, you can do any one of these. So an object is placed in front of a lens which forms its correct erect image of magnification 3. This is lens and magnification. So lens की magnification is given by V by U. और ये आपको दे रखी है थी. So 3 is equal to V by U. V is equal to 3 times. So image distance is equal to 3 times the object distance from the lens. Power of the lens is 5D. It is a convex lens. Power is positive. So power is the reciprocal of the focal length. F is equal to 1 by 5, which is 0.2 meter. That would be equal to 20 centimeter. ये centimeter है. Calculate the distance of the object U image U and V आपको calculate करना है. So let's use the lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. V is 3 times U. U is equal to 1 by F. So this is the convex lens या focal length positive ही है. Okay, 3U or 3U calcium is 3U. Here it's 1. It's 3 is equal to 1 by 20. Negative 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 20. U is equal to negative 40 by 3 centimeter. So this is U, and V was 3 times U. 3 times U, तो U आपका हमेशा नेगेटिव ही आना चाहिए. यहाँ साइन नहीं यूज करना, आंसर में अपने आप साइन आएगा इधर. अब U जो है, that is negative 40 by 3. So image is formed, also formed in front of the lens, and that is the case where the image is virtual intact. So V की जो distance है 40 centimeter in front of the lens है, और image object की जो distance है minus 40 by 3 in front of the lens. And this solves your question number 35. With this, we are done with the paper code 5541, 5542, and 5543 of year 2023. I will compile this into one complete video, and you can watch that in the playlist. Thank you for watching.